So your credit score can go up 20 points in a week. Your credit score can go up 20 points in 4 or 5 days. It really just depends. But it depends on like what's your credit score, what's going on with your credit, because we can look at the different things on how to increase your credit score by paying down credit cards, deleting accounts, and usually it takes about 35 days for certain accounts to get removed from your credit report. So 35 days you can get your credit score increased about 20 points. It really just depends though. But if you guys want to say, I need 20 points, look at the different things I teach you guys on the 60 points in 60 days. Like, check it out for sure. Like, with the 60 points in 60 days, I tell you the different things on how to increase your credit scores. And if you're thinking you want to get your credit score up 20 points, I'm telling you guys, you can get 60 points in 60 days. Then look right there. You can get that basically in what? Mm, I'll say in 3 weeks, you can get your credit score 20 points. So it really just depends, but definitely check out the 60 points in 60 days because you guys will be able to definitely learn what you have to do to increase your credit score. You just need to know these basic things on how to increase your credit score, and then you guys will be able to see that type of income.